Deciphering questions, mastering interrogative pronouns. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to dive deep into an interesting aspect of grammar, interrogative pronouns. We've all asked questions before, but do we know which words help us do that? Yes, you guessed right. They are interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used when we want to ask questions. They are who, whom, whose, what, and which. Now, you might wonder how to use them correctly. Don't worry, we're about to explore that. Let's start with who. We use who when we are asking about the identity or nature of a person. Example, who is your best friend? Next is whom. We use whom when we want to ask about someone as the object of a verb or preposition. Example, to whom did you give the book? Moving on, whose is used when we want to find out to whom something belongs. Example, whose bag is this? Then, we have what. We use what when we're asking about the identity or nature of a thing or situation. Example, what is your favorite movie? Lastly, which is used when we are choosing between a limited, known number of options. Example, which of these shirts do you like? An important part of mastering interrogative pronouns is understanding how they can replace nouns in a sentence. Here's how. Let's take a sentence. John is the person who is coming to the party. Here, who is the interrogative pronoun replacing the noun, John. A further example could be, you gave the book to Mary. You could ask, to whom did you give the book? Here, whom is replacing Mary. So, there you have it, folks. The mystery of interrogative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, what, and which is no longer a mystery. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep asking questions and using these pronouns until they become second nature to you. Thank you for watching today's lesson. As always, keep learning and stay curious. See you in our next video.